Hi everyone, today we will be talking to you about Brain Awareness Week. Our topic is sleep deprivation. Many of us are dealing with a very busy life, school, work, children, and much more. This is an overwhelming amount of stress. We often cut short on our sleep in order to be more productive during the day, and oftentimes it's simply hard to get the right amount of sleep. So what exactly is the right amount of sleep? Studies have shown that getting at least 7 or more hours of sleep is ideal. Napping during the day also has been shown to be effective and can strengthen memory. Anything less than 7 hours a day is termed as partial sleep deprivation. Getting less than the healthy amount of sleep can cause many problems. Problems include lower stress threshold, difficulty concentrating and impaired memory, lack of socialization, and a lack of appetite. And of course, there are many more effects such as irritability, impaired immune response, and can even potentially lead to depression. But how do most of us deal with this lack of sleep? Well, many of us rely on caffeine, of course, and sometimes we try to catch up on sleep during the weekends and by sleeping longer hours than usual. Caffeine has been shown to increase memory, concentration, and positive mood. Caffeine can get rid of sleepiness when consumed in healthy amounts, which is about a cup or two a day. Sleepiness is caused by the action of adenosine binding to sleep receptors in the brain. Adenosine is a neuromodulator in the brain's central nervous system that has specific receptors to which it binds. In general terms, when adenosine binds, you feel sleepy. Since the nervous system activity slows down, adenosine essentially makes you become sleepy. Caffeine is a stimulant and acts on these same adenosine receptors in the neural membrane. Caffeine acts as an adenosine receptor antagonist. This means that it binds to these same receptors but without reducing neural activity. Caffeine essentially blocks adenosine from binding and thus prevents the effects of sleepiness. So you might be thinking, so what? Why does all of this matter? Although caffeine reverses the side effects of sleep deprivation, such as sleepiness, irritability, fatigue, and more, the long-term effects of sleep deprivation are still detrimental to the brain. In the long term, sleep deprivation has been associated with many mood and memory disorders, and potentially even cancer. Moral of the story is, getting a healthy amount of sleep is essential. If you can't get at least 7 hours a day, try napping during the day as well. This has been shown to be beneficial. Being sleep deprived and relying on coffee might seem healthy, but it's not. In fact, studies have shown that even trying to catch up on sleep does not work, because the harmful effects of sleep deprivation cannot be undone regardless. The healthy combination is to get at least 7 hours of sleep a day, and if needed, a cup or two of coffee. As previously mentioned, coffee has been proved to have many positive effects on the brain when consumed in healthy, moderate amounts. We hope you enjoyed and learned from this informative video. This video was made on behalf of the University of Ottawa's Behavioral Neuroscience class for educational purposes during Brain Awareness Week. Happy Brain Awareness Week, and remember to get enough sleep.